Here are some more interesting facts about space. The Milky Way. Our solar system is part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. A galaxy is a massive collection of stars, planets, gas, dust, and dark matter. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. Light year. In space, distances are so large that we can't use kilometers or miles. Instead, we use light years, which is the distance light travels in 1 year. Light travels at a speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second, 186,000 miles per second. So in 1 year, it can travel about 9.5 trillion kilometers. Black holes. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. The center of a black hole is called a singularity, and it is a point where the gravitational pull is infinite. The Moon. The Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. It doesn't produce its own light, but it reflects the sun's light. The Moon's surface has craters formed by collisions with asteroids and comets. The Moon also causes tides on Earth due to its gravity. The Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope orbits the Earth and takes pictures of stars, galaxies, and other space objects. It helps scientists learn more about the universe and how it works. Hubble has shown us stunning images of galaxies and nebulae. The expanding universe. The universe is expanding. This means that galaxies are moving away from each other. The farther a galaxy is, the faster it appears to be moving away from us. This discovery was made in the 1920s by astronomer Edwin Hubble, and it led to the theory of the Big Bang, the idea that the universe began as a small, hot, and dense point around 13.8 billion years ago. Space travel. Humans have traveled into space since the 1960s. The first person to go into space was Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, in 1961. The first person to land on the Moon was Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, in 1969. Today, astronauts live and work in the International Space Station, ISS, a space station that orbits Earth. Satellites. A satellite is an object that orbits around another object. There are natural satellites like moons and artificial satellites that humans have launched to orbit Earth. Satellites are used for communication, weather forecasting, navigation, and more. The Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is the nearest large galaxy to the Milky Way. It is about 2.5 million light-years away from us. The Milky Way and Andromeda are on a collision course and are expected to merge in about 4 billion years, forming a new galaxy. Stars. Stars are massive balls of hot, glowing gas. The Sun is a star, and it provides the energy needed for life on Earth. Stars are born in nebulae, clouds of gas and dust, and eventually die, sometimes exploding in a supernova or collapsing into a black hole. The Kuiper Belt. Beyond Neptune, there is a region called the Kuiper Belt, which contains many small icy objects, including the dwarf planet Pluto. The Kuiper Belt is like an outer neighborhood to our solar system. Space weather. Space weather refers to the activity in space that can affect Earth. The Sun can send out strong bursts of energy called solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. These can impact satellite communications, power grids, and even astronauts in space. Space exploration robots. There are robotic spacecraft and rovers that help us explore space. For example, the Mars rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have been sent to explore the surface of Mars, sending back valuable information about the planet. The asteroid belt. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter is the asteroid belt, a region filled with small rocky objects called asteroids. Although there are millions of asteroids, the total mass of all the asteroids in the belt is much less than that of Earth's moon. The coldest place in space. The coldest place in the universe is a region called the Bootes Void, where temperatures reach nearly absolute zero, 273 degrees Celsius or 459 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the lowest possible temperature where all atomic motion stops.